Hi Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection Energy reading. The bonus reading for the month of March 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if this message resonates with you Sagittarius, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay Sagittarius, so let's look at into the channel messages from your person on your soulmate and twin flame connection for the month of March 2021, the bonus reading. And let's look at into both of your energy here Sagittarius. Also Sagittarius, please know that this is a collective general energy reading, therefore it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you Sagittarius, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like, share and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. Okay, so let's look at into your person energy here Sagittarius. Alright, so on this side here is your energy and on this side here is your person energy, but again due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. The sign that I'm getting coming up for you here Sagittarius, I'm getting a very strong earth energy, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. I'm also getting a very strong water energy coming up here as well, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. So you could have any of these signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart. Looking at your energy here Sagittarius, I've got the 4 of Cups, the 5 of Wands and the 7 of Pentacles energy coming up here. I feel like you have grown impatient, I would say here, because of this long waiting period that you have to encounter, I would say here Sagittarius, which I feel like you've been waiting for quite a long time, I would say here, because of this separation between both of you. Some of you here have been in a separation for years and you kind of like been waiting for your person to come back here Sagittarius, but somehow you just like cannot see anything. Like there is no physical proof and there is no there is no 3D proof, I would say here, that there is going to be a reconciliation, a reunion, or even like a communication happening between both of you here. So with this 4 of Cups and the 7 of Pentacles energy coming up here, apart from like growing impatient, you also like have been like having this very strong overthinking energy is what I'm getting here. Overthinking energy here, assuming the worst to happen. And then I've also got with this 7 of Pentacles energy coming up here, like a little bit of impatient energy is also another thing that I've got here. It's like you kept on almost like you kept on checking out your phone, you kept on checking out your social media pages, like, and thinking like, okay, is today the day that I'm going to receive the communication here. So you're kind of like getting stressful and getting frustrated in that situation here. Impatient, some of you here also like a little bit of obsessed, I would say here Sagittarius coming up here with the 7 of Pentacles. The thing here is that you might not even see the root or like the energy, like within the energy in the 5D, but the way like you see here, like what is happening in the 3D here is like almost like no progress, like nothing at all here. But as you can see here with this 7 of Pentacles energy here, you might not know about how deep and how, you know, like how strong the root are, even though in the reality it's just like little bit like a small plant coming up here, as you can see here. So this is how exactly your situation is currently going on here Sagittarius. You might not see what is happening in the 5D. The reason why the delay has to happen here is that because of the triggers and because of the challenges within both of you here. If both of you are rushing into the union at this point of time here, what is going to happen? Both of you are just going to get triggered again, facing the same challenges again, and then going apart again, going through the separation again here, which is like there is no point of reconciling or getting into the union only to go through the same separation over and over again here. So the reason why it's taking such a long time, or at least like a gradual process, a slow process, a slow moving energy here Sagittarius, is that the root of this connection has to be strong first. And for the root of the connection has to be strong first here, individually both of you have to go through that healing, both of you have to go through that purging energy here. And I'm also getting like you've been manifesting this reunion or reconciliation to come faster here Sagittarius. Keep on manifesting here, like whatever that you are manifest, even though it may take some time for it to come towards you here, but it will definitely come towards you is what I'm getting coming up here, Sagittarius. So this is also what I've got the yes energy coming up here as well. So yes, the reconciliation or the union is definitely going to happen between both of you. Now looking at looking at your person energy here, I've got the High Priest, I've got the World, and then I've got the Seven of Cups energy coming up here. With this Seven of Cups energy coming up here, Sagittarius, your person at this point of time here, they are feeling confused. I do feel like some of them here, Sagittarius, most of them I would say here is actually going through a spiritual awakening energy here with this High Priestess. They've acquired a new level of knowledge, I would say here, or a new level of understanding about the connection between both of you here, Sagittarius. Now, how big or how big and how much the understanding or the knowledge that they've acquired here is again depending on them individually. But with this High Priest energy here, they basically have gone through that realization, and they've acquired a new understanding, I would say here, acquire a new understanding about the soul connection between both of you here. This is why the Seven of Cups energy coming up here, because whatever that they have learned, whatever knowledge and whatever understanding that they have gained here is like kind of like challenging the whole reality within themselves here, the whole logical sense within themselves here. So this is where they are starting to be challenged, I would say here, because a lot of things has been happening in their life, especially in this particular month, the March of 2021, as well as moving after the month of March 2021 here. A lot of events actually have been happening surrounding your person energy here. A lot of synchronicities, a lot of sign messages from the divine here. They're starting to question their own logical sense here, because all of these things that have been happening to us is something that they've never experienced before, I would say here. So with that being said, and this World energy coming up here as well, this is also talking about the end of feeling stuck energy is what I'm getting here. Because the thing is that with this Two of Wands energy, they've been wanting to come towards you, but their ego have been stopping them, and the ego is working based on their logical senses here. Whatever their logical self is telling them, the ego is also backing them up here. But now with this new acquired understanding and understanding and knowledge about the soul connection between both of you here, Sagittarius, this is where the end of this running and chasing dynamic, the end of all of this feeling stuck energy within your person energy here, and this is when they're finally going to realize that they see the future with you and they want to be with you here. With this, I see my future with you. And I've got explore your creative side coming up here. So this is the message for you here, Sagittarius. Do not become too obsessed, or do not grow frustrated and impatient with the long waiting period. Of course, I do understand where you're coming from here, but the more that you're becoming obsessed, or the more that you grow impatient here, you're only going to be affecting yourself, and when you're affecting yourself, is also going to be affecting the manifestation energy as well. So that's it for your bonus reading for the month of March 2021, Sagittarius. I hope the reading resonates with you. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.